Welcome to the Retain Unified Archiving Browse and Search Guide video. I am Stefan Fassmann, and I will be your guide today. You can find the Retain documentation on our website. Once a job has completed, we can explore the archive. Press Search Messages to open a new tab in the archive interface. Retain remembers the last place you were. As this is the first time we've entered a mailbox, we'll have to choose a mailbox. You will have to select a mailbox to begin working with. Select the Change Mailbox button, and then a user archive to view. Browse. Select a folder to view the data in it. This is a view of what is in the Retain database. You can quick select a date range. The default is 30 days. You can set a custom range, but for now, we'll use the last 2 years. You can set how many items to view per page. You can change pages to view and jump to any page. Now is a good time for a sidebar about user rights. User rights can be changed under users or groups. There are administrator-level rights and user-level rights. As admin, you have full access to all the data. The users only have rights to their own data. You can grant certain users access to more data or retain server functions. For example, you may grant Search All Mailboxes to someone in HR, or Manage Server to one of your help desk people. Actions. Click on the checkbox to enable actions. Admin will have all actions available. For a normal user, the default actions available are View and Save Attachments, Forward, and Print Messages. The available actions are View and Save Attachments, which allows the viewing of the message and attachments and the saving of them. Forward will send the message to an email address. Print will print the message. Litigation hold, which prevents the message from being removed from Retain. Confidential state, which limits who can see the message. Delete will remove the message from Retain permanently. Export will export the message to a PDF file for download. Exported items will appear under the Exported Items tab. Under the Exported Items tab is a list of items that have been exported. Items are exported as a PDF portfolio file, which requires Flash to be installed to display properly. Restore will return the message to the user's mailbox. Note, this does not work with all messaging systems. View. Viewing a message shows you what is stored on disk in the archive. You can click on a message to view the message, view or save attachments, and view the message properties. If you get messages in both text and HTML formats, you can go into Users, Miscellaneous, Message HTML View to enable HTML View by default. Search. From the Search tab, you can do simple searches just by entering the search terms in the search box. For testing purposes, I have entered a number of emails with selections from Alice's Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. Let's start with search for Poor Alice. We'll see Retain highlight the search terms. It will also rank them by most relevant match to least relevant. The first item should have the most literal search term in it somewhere. You may refine the search on the sidebar. Advanced Search tab. The Advanced Search tab allows you to create more complex queries. Click on the Edit button to create the query. There are a number of fields you can select. Press the plus sign to add a criteria, choose and, or new group, which can be ended or ORed as well. Press Save to run the query. Queries can be loaded, saved, shared, removed, and duplicates can be hidden. Tag definitions. Create tags that you can apply to messages. Options tab. There are a variety of options that can be adjusted here. Under Core Settings, the user can change their password. Under User Rights, the user can see what rights they have granted. Under Mailboxes, the user can see what mailboxes they have rights to. Under Confidential Exceptions, the user can list users or groups that are allowed to view items they have marked as confidential. Under Miscellaneous, there are various options the users can adjust, like the number of items to display per page. There is one slightly hidden feature, the Notifications Center. With the flag up, there is a new message to be viewed. Click on the mailbox to go to your Notification Center. This will often be details about exports. The next step would be reporting and monitoring.